Hey guys, listen, if you're in your 20s or early 30s and you're still depending only on a 9 to 5, you're already behind the curve. I am not here to sell you a fantasy. I am here to open your eyes to the 5 smartest ways to start building passive income. Not get-rich-quick nonsense, but actual systems that work. If you're willing to build them, number 1 on the list is digital products. Digital products are like ebooks, online courses, templates, music packs, even Notion dashboards. You create it once and it can earn forever. I know a guy who made a $9 productivity template, posted it on Gumroad and Reddit, and now makes $3,000 a month on the side. If you have knowledge, package it. If you have a system, sell it. Build once, scale forever. Try Gumroad, PayHip, or Ko-fi to get started. The second way is YouTube automation. Nowadays, with YouTube automation, you don't even need to show your face. Use AI tools to generate scripts, voices, and videos. Then post on faceless YouTube channels, facts, finance, motivation, travel, whatever. Once a video gains traction, ad revenue and affiliate links start rolling in. It takes time, but if you post consistently, one viral short or video can fund your whole month. You can explore tools like Pictory, Eleven Labs, and ChatGPT for automation. Now let's talk about the print-on-demand stores. It's also a design once, earn forever. You will have platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy fulfill the rest. You don't need inventory, shipping, or capital, just creativity and good branding. You can focus on niche markets, gym memes, anime quotes, minimal travel designs. The narrower your focus, the easier it is to sell. You can combine with AI image generators like Midjourney or Ideogram to create designs. Have you ever heard about dividend investing? The classic, dividend investing. It's not flashy, but it's real. You buy stocks in companies that pay you just for holding their shares every month or quarter. The trick is to start small and reinvest every dollar. Over time, it snowballs. Think long term. This is the financial bedrock of real wealth, but of course you will have to invest wisely. Research first. Check out ETFs like SCHD, VYM. At last but not the least, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means to promote a product you use, love, or trust, and earn a cut every time someone buys through your link. Whether it's camera gear, software, clothing, or online tools, this is perfect if you have a social presence or a niche blog. Even if you don't, start with YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or a one-page website. It's all about consistency and trust. I personally know a creator earns $500 a month just recommending 3 tools he uses daily. Finally, passive income is not magic. It's a strategy plus patience equation. Start one stream, learn, grow, stack another. By the time you're 30, you won't be chasing money anymore. Money will be chasing you. In the future, we'll be digging deeper in each and every one of those talking strategies, exploring tools to be used along the journey. Subscribe now if you're ready to build, not just dream. See you in the next one.